In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recall an envelope in Docusign. Whether you accidentally sent a document or need to fix some details, this is an essential feature you should know. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and head over to the Docusign website. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and click on the Login button. Go ahead and enter your email and password to sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Docusign dashboard. This is your main workspace where you can manage all your documents, templates, and envelopes. Now, the next step is to locate the envelope you want to recall. To do this, navigate to the Envelopes or Documents section. Depending on your interface, this may be labeled slightly differently, but it's where all your sent and received documents are stored. Once you're in that section, take a moment to browse through your list of envelopes. You can scroll manually or use the search bar if you have many documents. Find the specific envelope you want to recall. When you locate it, look to the right side of that envelope. You'll see a three-dot menu, often called the More Options menu. Click on it to reveal additional actions you can take. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Void. In Docusign, voiding an envelope is the same as recalling it. It immediately stops the document from being signed or processed any further. After clicking Void, a confirmation window will appear. Here, you'll be asked to provide a reason for voiding the envelope. This step is important for record keeping and transparency. You can enter something like sent by mistake or incorrect information. Once you've entered your reason, go ahead and confirm the action. At this point, the envelope will be officially voided. This means that all recipients will lose access to the document, and they'll be notified that the envelope has been voided. No further actions such as signing can be completed on it. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always double-check your documents before sending them out. But if something does go wrong, knowing how to recall an envelope quickly can save you time and prevent confusion. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recall or void an envelope in Docusign. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials to improve your workflow.